Google Gemini Live has been experiencing significant technical challenges throughout 2025, affecting millions of users worldwide. These issues span across voice recognition, video processing, and AI interaction features. Users are reporting five main categories of problems. Voice recognition failures cause delayed or inaccurate speech to text conversion. Video processing glitches include frame drops and audio video sync issues. AI response delays create frustrating wait times, while connection instability leads to frequent disconnections. The first step in troubleshooting is ensuring you have a stable internet connection with at least 10 megabits per second download speed. This speed test shows the minimum requirements for smooth Gemini Live operation. Next, ensure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Regularly clearing your browser cache and cookies can resolve many performance issues. Here's how to access the Clear Browsing Data option in Chrome. A simple device restart often resolves temporary glitches. For advanced troubleshooting, check your microphone and camera permissions. Windows users can access these settings through the privacy controls. Hardware acceleration settings can significantly impact performance. You can enable or disable this feature in your browser settings, depending on your device capabilities. Additionally, consider VPN interference and firewall configurations as potential causes of connectivity issues. Google is actively addressing these issues with a $2.5 billion infrastructure investment. They are optimizing algorithms, adding regional data centers, and enhancing system monitoring to improve the Gemini Live experience for all users. Organizations facing Gemini Live issues need comprehensive strategies to maintain reliable communication. The first critical step is implementing redundancy planning with backup communication systems. User training is essential for basic troubleshooting. Organizations should educate their teams on network optimization, browser updates, cache clearing, and device restart procedures. Network bandwidth evaluation is crucial for optimal performance. Organizations must assess their infrastructure requirements and monitor usage patterns to identify bottlenecks before they impact service quality. Future-proofing strategies include implementing edge computing for local processing, which reduces latency and improves reliability. This distributed approach moves computation closer to users, minimizing dependence on cloud connectivity. Google has responded with significant infrastructure investments, allocating $2.5 billion for server capacity expansion. They are implementing algorithm optimization for faster processing and establishing regional data centers to handle high-usage areas. These comprehensive solutions, from organizational redundancy planning to Google's infrastructure improvements, work together to address scalability bottlenecks and enhance the overall reliability of Google Gemini Live services.